Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. The price line of Bitcoin is again rejected by this exponential moving average 21 on the daily time frame. And in today's video, we will discuss whether the price line will be able to break it out or not. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me recall this very big harmonic bullish reversal Cypher pattern that I shared for my members at the Patreon on 23rd of January, and I have been sharing with you in the videos as well. And I've been telling you that this is a very big Cypher move, and even though we had a very drastic drop, but we had a very big hidden bullish divergence as the RSI was forming lower than previous low and the price line was forming higher low than previous low. And the formation of this Cypher was also in favor of a bullish reversal move from here. And our sell targets were from $46,339 and goes to $57,167. And the buying zone, as per the Fibonacci sequence of this Cypher, was from $36,100 and goes to $28,800. Now, after playing this chart, we can see that the price line rallied very well. So far it has rallied up to $48,189, and during this move we have also seen that the price line also broke out a very big down channel on the daily time frame chart as well. And after breaking out to this channel, it is stuck inside this ascending triangle. Sorry, this is the rising wedge pattern, and right now we are gearing up after testing the support of this rising wedge. Now here we have a hurdle that is the exponential moving average 21 on the daily time frame chart. Once the price line will be able to break it out, then the next resistance will be the weekly EM at 21, that is here approximately at $43,300 right now. Once the price line will be able to break out this EM at 21, then there will be a very high probability that the price line will make another higher than previous high. That will be another all-time high, because we are forming on the weekly time frame. You can see we are forming higher lows and higher highs as well, and this will be another higher than previous high, and that will set a new all-time high for Bitcoin. But right now we are struggling to break out the resistance of this EMA 21 on the daily time frame. And recently we have also broken out this bearish pennant on the 4-hourly time frame chart. The target for this bearish pennant is still due, that is $47,000, and the price line so far has rallied up to $42,978. And if we take a look at the target for this bigger breakout from this down channel, that will be here at the top of the channel, approximately at $68,000. So until this support is not broken down, especially this one, $39,500 support, that can be a key support for the price line. We can see that previously it had been breaking as a nice support at the different places at different times. Therefore, again, it is breaking as a nice support. The price line is not able to break it down so far. We can expect that Bitcoin can hit these targets, but if this support will be broken down, then the next support will be very down from here at $33,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.